What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video here. Today we're currently in a hurricane in California. So flooding over there. Look at that. Wait, hold up. Yo. So what do you think of this? Look when I put a rock. Here, put a rock. Okay, give me it. Gone. This is fun. So, please like and subscribe. It's been MS Gaming here. It's not the end of the video, but currently in a hurricane. Isn't that, look, there's like a corner. It's like that. Look, watch when a car passes. Quality.